Hello and welcome to another video of Exploring France. Today we are in Gavarnie. Gavarnie is one of the picturesque village in France located in southwest region. So today we are going to explore the largest waterfall in France, which is called the Gavarnie waterfall, and we will reach there by doing a hike from Gavarnie village towards the waterfall. We started our trip early in the morning and we took the city bicycles to reach the train station. We have now reached Gavarnie and this is the tourist office where we are getting all the information regarding the hike. We will start our hike from the village. This is the main town center of Gavarnie and here we are starting our hike. Gavarnie is best known for its stunning natural beauty and it's very famous among tourists for hiking towards the famous and the largest waterfall in France. Hike from Gavarnie village towards the waterfall is very interesting. As you can see, you will enjoy the beauty of this village and also the beautiful stream throughout this hike and multiple bridges. Well, summer is the favorite time for tourists to explore South France, and Gavarnie is one of the popular destinations among them. Here we are reaching towards another beautiful bridge during this trail. Moving further in our hike, you can see there are different pathways during this trail, and this complete trail is very well marked. We have almost completed half of the trail, so now we are taking a small break alongside the stream. This is Cirque du Gavarnie. It is very close to the Gavarnie Falls. Here you can take a break. There are hotels and restaurants. Sitting in the restaurant, you can enjoy the stunning view of waterfall with having a coffee or ice cream. After taking a short break at restaurants, we are now moving towards the final part of our hike. This part is very interesting, and it is steeper than the rest of the hike. We will now go to the other side of the bridge to reach the waterfall. Gavarnie waterfall is one of the largest waterfall in Europe and the largest in France. The round trip of this hike is approximately 10 kilometers and it will take about 3 to 4 hours to complete it. We are now going back to the Gavarnie village. I hope you guys like the video, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.